Hello student, today I am going to discuss about the detergent enzyme, that is subtilisin. A subtilisin or laundry enzyme or detergent enzyme, that is the responsible for cleaning the dirt. It is also known as stain cutter. So generally this enzyme subtilisin we obtain from bacteria, that is Bacillus licheniformis, or Bacillus licheniformis bacteria that is generally present in soil. So if you see, there is a mixture of this enzyme subtilisin in each and every type of detergent. In this slide you will see a bacteria. This bacteria generally present in the soil and it contain a methionine at 222 position. It is just like a serine protease of chymotrypsin, where the serine that is present at 21 position, histidine 64 position, and aspartic acid 32 position. But if you see a specific amino acid that decide the characteristic feature, the cleaning action property, that is methionine, that is present at 222 position. So if this different amino acid that is present on catalytic site, if we replace or substitute then by any other amino acid, the cleaning action property of that subtilisin is going to disturb. The reduction in cleaning action property of the subtilisin due to oxidation of that methionine present at 222 position of the polypeptide chain of this subtilisin. So our scientists have developed an improved strain of subtilisin. Just you see in the upper corner left side, this is the structure, chemical structure, molecular structure of subtilisin enzyme. So on this catalytic site or active site, there is also a triad, 3 amino acid. I have already discussed serine 21, histidine 64, and aspartic acid 32. Now how can we improve the cleaning action property of subtilisin? This is a question mark. So a molecular technique, that is site-directed mutagenesis. You see the site-directed mutagenesis. Yes, if you see a gene, in case of plasmid or DNA, we take the DNA of M13 and plasmid of that bacteria, that is of wild type strain. So we try to incorporate or change that change through site-directed mutagenesis. So what is happening in site-directed mutagenesis? A single nucleotide change that create a characteristic of this subtilisin in case of mutant variety of bacterial strain. So what type of change is going on? If you see in the previous slide, then you will try to understand. If you see in this slide, we can do any change inside the plasmid. If you want to do any desired change, then we incorporate or substitute or do the point mutation. What is point mutation? A single nucleotide change that change the chemical property of the particular protein, or nucleotide change always occur at gene level. So what is going on in this case? Methionine, that is the gene codon of methionine, that is changed to gene codon of alanine, or that is cysteine. This is the change that is caused or change in chemical property. So due to such change, cleaning action property is going to enhance by 53%. Then why not we can improve the bacterial strain of Bacillus licheniformis through a molecular technique like site-directed mutagenesis. So we do a forceful change. There is no normal pairing with the nucleotide. If you see the next slide, then we will observe in this slide. Then what type of change? It is not a normal pairing in case of site-directed mutagenesis. What is going on? If we see the molecular nucleotide G pair with C, A pair with T, but T cannot pair with C. So this is unusual base pairing, and that change lead to creation of mutant strain of the plasmid of bacteria, and that mutant strain of bacteria create a improved strain, improved property, that is a methionine going to substituted by amino acid, either cysteine or alanine. So 53% cleaning action property is going to improve through site-directed mutagenesis. Now every industrialist want to use such type of subtleticine that can work even at high temperature up to 70 degree and at pH 8 to 11. So if you see a bacterial strain, that is site-directed mutagenesis, molecular mechanism of site-directed mutagenesis, and we can get an improved strain of that bacteria. And just see, try to if you see the catalytic position, I have already discussed the molecular mechanism of site-directed mutagenesis to improve the bacterial strain. Then at the catalytic site there is a amino acid, that is histidine, then serine, then aspartic acid. So that in that amino acid, it is responsible for removing the stain or dirt. If there is any disturbance in that catalytic position, if there is any substitution of the amino acid through nucleotide change, then that cleaning action property can be reduced. But most potent cause for reduction in the cleaning action property is due to oxidation of methionine at position 222, and scientists have improved that change particular amino acid through side directed mutagenesis. So industrialists always want to see the character like it should be stable. Enzyme should be stable at high temperature. Enzyme should be stable at high temperature. So this is the most important characteristic feature of this subtlecy, and it should also open. It should also open. It should be also work at pH 8 to 11. Next, that subtlecy, it should also not affected by non-ionic detergent. Means non-ionic detergent molecules like compound is hydrogen peroxide. I'm sorry, it is not a detergent, it is the chemical compound that is hydrogen peroxide that can affect the functional aspect or cleaning action property of subtlecy. So it should be not affected by hydrogen peroxide, and there is no requirement of metallic ion to activate such subtlecy. So this property should be incorporated in the subtlecy so that industrial scientists or different industrialists can utilize this subtlecy for manufacturing of good quality of the detergent. You can observe the different detergent in the markets. Means you will always choose those particular detergent that have good quality of that subtlecy. So this is the whole story about subtlecy.